Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? So today's video is actually a room tour. So I visited Amsterdam a while ago and I decided to do a room tour for you guys. Yeah, so this is where I stayed in Amsterdam for a couple of days and I decided to show you guys. I hope you enjoy it. So this is how the room looks when you come in. When you look by the right hand side, we have like a wardrobe with a kettle, some tea, some coffee. Yeah, it's just an open place. And right over here we have some other extra stuff. This is my box, my jacket. We have extra pillow. And yeah, when you come over here, this is me in the mirror. Yeah, I'm so exhausted. I just came in today. So right here we have the mirror. We have where you can hang your jackets, and here I just put my other box there in my backpack. So once you come in, this is how it looks. Then moving on, when you come to this other side, still on the right hand side, we have the TV. There's a chair here if you want to sit and probably work on your computer. This is how this area looks. Yeah, moving on, we have by the side, the extreme end, there's just a standing lamp there, and that's it. Then moving on to this other area, we have like a sitting area where you can sit, drink your coffee, chill and whatnot. Yeah, basically. And the curtain here, we have a little bit of view over here. Let me show you guys. Okay. Oh, it's raining. This is how outside looks. Probably tomorrow I'll show you guys how it looks properly. But this is what you can see now. So that's it for this area. The sitting area, we have it over there. Yeah. Then moving on, we have another side lamp by the side. This is how it looks. It's quite cute. I like the room. The room is quite cute. Then we have the bed. This is how the bed looks. Let me show you guys, and it should give you guys a better view. So this is how the bed looks. Yeah, I love the bed. It's portable. It's nice. It's a small bed, but this is basically how it looks, and I love it. Yeah, from this other side, this is how the bed looks. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it. This is the room. As you can see, very beautiful, very portable. Yeah. Then now let's go over to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Let me show you guys. So this is how the bathroom looks. It's like a glass bathroom. I really love the concept. So once you open it, this is what you see. We have the mirror over here. Yeah, and we have a hair dryer. We have cups. We have hand washer. Yeah, that's basically it for this area. That's how it looks. Love it. And moving on to this area, we have two towels. They give two towels and tissue, trash can, toilet seat. Yeah, so this is how this area looks basically. Then when you open the shower, this is how it looks. Love it. Love it. It comes with I think the shower gel and the shampoo. Yeah, that's basically it. Shower gel and shampoo. This is how the shower looks. They have another one here. So yeah, this space is so beautiful. So that's basically it. This is how the bathroom looks. Yeah, so this is gonna be my room for 2 days. I'm gonna be staying in Amsterdam for 2 days, so yeah, this is how my room looks. Yep. Yeah, so this is an overview of how